Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get a Venmo tag. First, if you're looking for an inside app tutorial, that's not the video for you. I apologize. So, how to get a Venmo tag? Of course, you'll need to log in into your account, first of all. And if you don't have an account, you will need to go and create one. Or, of course, if you don't have it downloaded, you will have to download it. Very simple. Now, how to print a Venmo QR code. So, what's our first of all Venmo QR codes? Of course, it's a Venmo QR code are bridge between like traditional and digital payments. This feature will allow you to pay or get paid with ease, seamless transaction, or with ease, of course, a seamless transaction. Basically, if you want to pay someone, you can use that QR code to pay, or if you want to get paid, people can scan that QR code to pay you the amount that you agree on. So, how to get your Venmo QR code? Getting the Venmo QR code is a simple process within the app. So, go to the app and click on scan section or go to the scan section. You will find options to generate a personal QR code. This QR code can be shared or displayed for transactions, and you need to type in payment details. If you want to customize, third-party QR code generator offer more options to customize the QR code to fit your personal brand identity. You can also create multiple QR codes for different Venmo business profile. So this way, businesses with multiple location or offering different services can have separate payment streams. A business profile QR code is automatically linked to linked bank account, so you can access received payments instantly, and you can tap Venmo options on the app to generate codes directly. And of course, you can print them very easily however you want. So that's going to be it for this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.